Hey Couture Cuties, welcome to another weekly vlog. I know, right? I'm sitting in a weird position. I know you all want to know what's going on. So for this week's vlog, I'm trying to add some new things that'll make vlogging a bit more easier to my life. And, you know, a bit easier for me to carry them out on my camera, always having it up, you know, as if it's going to be in somebody's face. So I have a new device that I will be vlogging with throughout this entire weekly vlog that I want to show you guys real quick. And what I'm going to show you guys is the activation process for it and everything, and how it's used, and overall how I ended up liking vlogging with it for an entire week. Because of course, before I introduce anything new to my channel for you guys, I want to make sure that I actually like using the device. So this is the device, and this is the Smooth X Essential Combo. And this is by a company called Zhiyun. Z-H-I-Y-U-N. So this is a Asian-based brand. Again, this is called the Smooth X, and this is a vlogging mount. So this is a mount for you to be able to vlog from your personal phone. So you all know I vlog and record my YouTube videos for my phone, from my phone. So when I saw this, I was like, okay, this is perfect. So I went ahead and grabbed it. So first of all, I'm going to show you what's in it. Again, this is what the box looks like. And on the back, it has pictures and it shows you everything that you need. Open it up. And this is the case that comes in. A very, very nice, very good quality case, you guys. Very, what's the word I want to use? Durable. I would say this is safe to put your vlog, like if you're like me and you vlog from one phone and talk from another, I would say when you're not vlogging, it would be safe to store your phone in here too with the device. And it also, I'll just make sure I didn't miss anything in here. So we open it up and it looks like this. This is what it looks like on the inside. And you go in here and you have the Smooth X manual. All of this, this is the production card, the product information here. And then this is the instruction manual. Now the instruction manual, it does come in various languages. So you just have to find the English version, but it is pretty thick. But this is the instruction manual. And then this is the servicing card. So I guess if you have problems with it, you would contact the people on this card. In the box came the charger. It did not come with a base. So luckily I have a ton of bases around the house. So it did come with the charger though. And this is a very distinguished charger. I feel like this is for the older edition of the USBs. And so hold on to this, you know, because you don't want to lose this and have trouble replacing it. And this is the actual device. And I'm going to show you how to open it in a second. And this is the mount that the device goes on. So it's got a built-in telescopic grip. Convenient transition between landscape mode and portrait, gestures control, new object tracking, smart filmmaking mode, and it has its own app. So in order to use this device, the first thing you have to do is download the app. It's called the Zhiyun app. So I'm going to go ahead and re-download it into my phone because I did delete it just so that I can go ahead and take you all through the entire process. So I literally just opened up my app store and I pasted the name Zhiyun app. It comes with the information on the plastic that this is wrapped in, but I've been using this, so I threw the plastic out. But the good thing is that the instructions are actually in the description on Amazon as well. So then search. So you all see that I already have it downloaded because it has the little cloud with the arrow pointing down. So I'm just going to re-download it. When you get the device, it's going to be like this or like this. So in order to unlock it, you need to twist it so that the knobs are facing forward. Then what you're going to do is tilt this forward and then tilt this around. Tilt this back here and clamp it into place and lock it in. Now you have it locked. And that's how you set up the mount part. Now to set up the hand grip, it's screwed. So you just take these and you screw them into one another. Then you go ahead and you open the legs. I'm going to go ahead and sit it. So I'll open the legs like so. And then voila. If you want to, if I want to do for you all from this, I could. And be closer. Like this is good for like my makeup videos too. Now that I have the device all set up, the first thing I want to do is power it on. So this is the power button here. So you just hold down the power button until all 4 prongs are lit up, and then you open the app, and in the corner there's going to be a camera that says link device, and you hit that. The Bluetooth is going to come on that's going to link these two together. That's the smooth device right there. So I'm going to hit connect, and it says pair, and I'm going to pair it. And now I'm going to give it access to my location information only while I'm in the phone. So then I'm going to log back in because I'm already registered. So this is what the login screen looks like. And now my activation is complete. I am going to, because I'm going to be using my 8X Plus, because my 11X Max, it barely fit in here. So the first thing I'm going to do is find the arrow that tells me what direction the device needs to be going in, and I'm going to unlock it. So in order to unlock this mount portion, you're just going to twist it here. You're just going to twist it counterclockwise. Is this counterclockwise. And now the device is unlocked. So it says to mount your camera in this direction. So here's the thing. In order for this device to work properly, you have to mount this in the center of your phone. And it takes a little bit of playing with to get it mounted to the center. Okay. So I got the balance right. That's something, though, to be honest, you guys, that I did not like, having to do all that playing around with the balance. But for such a good quality device, I went ahead and played around with it some. So I'm actually going to face it towards me so that I can continue to set up. When you're in the app, you have full access to all of the device, I guess you want to say attributes. Next, I want to let you know what the different buttons do. So you already know what the power on button does. You already know what the power on button does. That's this here, and how you have to wait for it to light all the way up. Over here, we have the power jack where you charge it up. I would say let it charge at least 8 hours before you take it out for use. These buttons, this is the joystick that operates the mode. So there are 4 different modes, and I'm going to show you how each one works in a second. The record button, this will allow you to record from the Zhiyun app, but also record from any recording apps inside of your phone. So like your camera, your Snapchat, and everything. But doing it from the app actually gives you more access to play around with different ways to record. Like if you want to use filters, or if you want to record on certain angles, doing it in the app and having full access to the device, to the different rotations, can only be done from the app, but the recording itself can be done outside of the app. If you hit the recording twice, it will actually go into photo mode. And if you hit the recording 3 times, it will go into selfie mode. So those are the various modes for recording that can be used. And so now I'm going to show you the different modes for the angle. So you probably are like, look, you see how it moves? That's because of the angle that it's in. The mode that it's in. This mode is perfect for like when you want to get images of like yourself running or doing something down further down. This mode that it's in is perfect for that. The first mode I'm going to show you is the right to left mode. So I'm going to bring it back this way towards me, and this allows the motion to go from right to left, but also side to side. Then we go to mode 2, and that turns the entire device. It doesn't just turn the camera, and it turns it into a 360 motion going both ways. How freaking dope is that? So let's bring it back this way. And you have your motions again from left to right to help you get good angles. Like, this is perfect for my girls who are content creators and, you know, vloggers and stuff. We always talking about how important our angles are. So mode 3 works like this. So the up down for all the modes is pretty much the same, but bam. Mode 3, we're going in a different direction. Mode 3 starts in the opposite direction from mode 2. Mode 4 locks it in place. So you can pretty much do whatever you want, and it's not going to move from out of its balanced position when it's in mode 4. That's basically a lock, is what that is. Mode 4 is a lock. So, where else the other ones, when you move, it will move with you. This mode will not. Like, it's stuck in the position that I mounted, that I have it angled in, until I choose to move it any other type of way. And that's the one that I've mainly been using, the one where I have the most control, because the fact that it's so like self-working, I have to get used to that. But I promise you, this is a techie's dream. This is absolutely a techie's dream. So this is what the, oh, well, I could just, wait a minute, let me use the device. So this is what the Zhiyun app, there we go. So this is what the Zhiyun app looks like. Let's balance that back out. There we go. So this is what the Zhiyun app looks like. It gives you access to stuff like slow motion and everything like that. There is an update that a firewall update that I'm going to do, because again, this is a foreign app. If you want all of the access to doing what I just did, you have to have the app. But if you just want to use it as like a selfie stick or whatever, because it does extend pretty far and you can mount it pretty well. And so let me take it into a mode where I can have a little more control. Bam. And you know, if you want to get your selfie action popping, you can. Let me give you my final thoughts. I'm not really a techie kind of person, but what it is that I'm trying to do different things to improve the quality of the video footage that I shoot for you guys and the quality of the vlogs that I'm starting to do. So I'm always looking for new things to test and try to help me with that, because y'all know your girl recording in 4K now. So My honest opinion is that at first I was like, oh, this is complicated. Like, I have to mount this a certain way and I have to do this and do that to get it to, you know, work properly. Like, that's just too much. I'm not doing that. But as I started to play with it and realize how many different angles I can get, like you'll see in the vlog, but I really enjoyed that. I really did enjoy that, and playing around and getting to know the device. I really enjoyed that. It's perfect for, like I said, if I want to record, get closer to you guys recording my makeup videos. And it's also perfect, especially the angles for, you know, when I'm outside and I'm vlogging. It's perfect. Now, I will say that this right here, I wish that it was down on this or on this part, because if you position your hand here, you're too far away to control the buttons. You really should be positioning your hand here. That way you're the perfect distance to control the device. I wish that this was here because I'm someone with carpal tunnel. And so that grip is going to help me from having my hand to cramp up. But other than that, I feel like for the price point, which is $60 and it ships Prime, I feel like this is really sturdy. I'm not worried about it breaking or anything crazy like that. I'm not worried about it, you know. When I have a daughter, so of course it's going to hit the floor. I'm not worried about it doing anything damaging, you know, if she gets her hands on it. Even though it is a little bit heavy, it's not damaging, like hurt you heavy. It's just like, it's a little more heavier than the devices I'm used to using to mount my phone, but I really like it. I really like the device. I am going to hold on to it, and I am going to continue to vlog with it. So without further ado, I know this was a long intro to this vlog. I just wanted to come on camera and tell you guys about my new gem that I'm going to be vlogging with moving forward. So I'm glad you all are here, and enjoy the vlog.